this video, I'm going to give a quick tour of how EA can help you with the CDP 2026 questionnaire. If you navigate to pre-built AI agents, under the category ESG, you'll see the CDP 2026 questionnaire. If you click on Generate Answers, a pre-questionnaire will appear, and this helps us to narrow down the set of applicable questions to tailor the survey to your organization, just like in the portal. So all you have to do is enter your organization's name, select the applicable sectors, and the applicable question sets, and the environmental issues, and state whether you want guidance for mining projects. You also have the option to upload a past year's submission. If you do this, the agent will preserve the language from last year's submission as much as possible while only updating key details and metrics. If you don't have that, then that's okay, it's entirely optional. Once you've completed the questionnaire, the pre-questionnaire, click Generate Answers, and EA will start preparing the questionnaire for you. It does take a bit of time to complete and generate answers, so it might take a couple hours in total. Now that a few minutes have passed, we can look at some sample answers the AI has generated. So if you click on the Review button, the answer drawer appears. On the left side, you can see the CDP questionnaire itself, so you can compare as you review your answers. And on the right side, you can see the AI-generated answer, which is provided in the same format as the CDP answer. You can edit the answer by editing the text or selecting different options. And you'll also notice that beneath each answer is a scoring analysis. This will help you understand what it takes to get full marks for each area and where your company may have missed certain criteria. So this should just help you understand and identify priority areas for review. Let's just take a look at one more question to demonstrate how EA recreates the CDP table format. So here you can see question 1.3, and the table format for this question has been completely recreated, with some cells that have selectable options which you can update, and other cells that have free text fields or whatever it may be. And as always, down below you can see these different reference documents which explain what information the AI has used to create the answer. Once you're done making edits and you're satisfied with the answer, you can also use the button Approve and Next, and this indicates that the question's been closed for review and it's ready to be submitted to CDP. If this offering is of any interest to you, then please don't hesitate to get in touch, and we'd be happy to answer any questions you may have.